What's up, peeps? So today I am here to show you guys how I have been doing my finger waves, and I wanted to do this video for you guys because I'm about to cut it all off because I'm just sick of having to comb my hair and it looking crazy, so I'm just gonna cut it off again. So the first thing that I want to tell you guys about doing these finger waves is the fact that I just could not get these finger waves to happen with my natural hair. So because I was like, I'm gonna cut it off anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a relaxer in it. So that's what I did to get it straight. But as you can see right here, I have some new growth. Yeah, but I have new growth right there. You see it's kind of crimply, so hopefully it lays down as straight as I need it to. But I'm about to go ahead and get this started. Okay, so I went ahead and parted my hair. And one thing I do when I do my finger waves is I make sure that I do my finger waves as soon as I wash my hair. So I just got out the shower and my hair is damp right now, but typically it is more wet than this. But what we're gonna do is put some foam on here, and what I'm using right now is the Silk Elements Strengthen Silk Foaming Styling Lotion with coconut oil and silk. So that is what this bottle is. I do believe you can find that at Sally's. So we are just going to drench our hair in this foam. And what you will see is that I only use the foam. I don't put gel, Eco Styler, any pomade. I don't do none of that. Because over time, that'll just leave residue on your hair that will most likely turn white and it'll be ugly. So we don't want to do that. And I like to do my hair first. Like a lot of YouTubers, when they do these videos, they be having makeup on, or you know, people that you see do it typically, a lot of times they'll have like their makeup on and do it. And I'm just like, I don't know, that's nasty to me. Like, no. So I do my hair first, and then it needs to dry and sit, so then when you're doing your makeup, it can be drying. And when your hair is this short, it dries very quickly, so you shouldn't need more than an hour for your hair to dry. But you see, now we're all nice and flat. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and comb, and I'm using a fine tooth comb. I got it like $1 at the hair store. So you just want this comb with the small bristles that are tightly together, so you can make sure that the hair lays smooth and there's no tangles and things like that. So around the ear, you have to make sure that you comb some this way, so this way, and then you want to make sure you comb some forward, and then you can kind of go like this, because we're going to have like some sideburns. So you just want to make sure that you put in your hair in the direction you want it. Because my hair isn't perfectly cut around my ear, so some is longer, so that's more so why we have to do that, because when I comb down it will be hanging over my ear. So we want to make sure that we put that hair in the direction that we want it, so it doesn't hang over my ear, and also so when I do my sideburns I have the amount of hair that I want for the sideburns and nothing more and nothing less. And when you comb, it kind of messes, like the foam is starting to dry, so you just want to put some more foam, because when you don't have foam you cannot style the finger waves exactly how you want them. They will not turn out super fleeky, so you need to make sure that you maintain a lot of foam, honey boo boo. Okay, so everything is combed, everything is positioned, so we're about to get into these finger waves. Okay, so I need to make sure y'all can see this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to comb, and I smooth with my hand, because you want to see what it's going to look like when it's smooth. You don't want to see all the lines from the comb. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and hold this down and start to push backwards. And then I'm going to pull forward. I'm gonna hold on that swoop and kind of use my comb to shape it. And then I'm gonna push back some more. So I'm going to use my comb to push back. Whew, my arm is hurting. Okay, so we're going to hold. And then shape this. Hold right there. Now we're going towards the sideburn. And then I like to flip up my sideburn. Okay, so I think y'all can see the finger wave of it all. I'm gonna put a little bit more foam because it's starting to dry and look all crimply, which we do not want. But just be careful not to put the foam on the actual finger wave, just on the hair. Okay, so we're gonna put some more foam over here and go ahead and do the finger waves over here. Okay, I'm trying to get these angles for you guys. It's kind of hard. Okay, so I did a little swoop. We're gonna pull it back. Okay, I'm gonna hold right here and pull forward. I'm gonna hold right here. So I'm shaping that, pull it back. Now we're going into the sideburns. Hold right here. Oh, actually, I don't think we're gonna have enough hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it up. Okay, so that is what we got on this side. I hope y'all were able to see those angles, because honey boo, I couldn't even tell you. Okay, so now the final step that really glues it all together. Are these. Get these from Sally's too, or your local beauty store. So what I have here is called the wrapp-it styling strips, #1 quality wrap for sleek sculpted molded hairstyles, and the company is Graham Beauty. So you take these and it stretches, so stretch it a little bit is what I do. So you see that I just stretched it out, and you put it on the back of your head, and you get it to cover. And I always try to tie it on the part where the part is, so it's not over top of any of the finger waves and, you know, messes that up. And do it as tight as you possibly can without messing up what you have done, because I feel like pulling too tight will mess up what you've done. So I'm gonna do another one to cover up more of my sideburns. And then I'm gonna do one more to flatten out more of the top. And I feel like the top one you can do tighter because there's no like design right there. You just trying to get it to lay flat. Okay, so that pretty much is all you will need to do, and I will come back and show you guys the final look when everything is done. Okay. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I'm done. It's done drying. This is how how it came out. Here's this side. So yeah, this is how it turned out. Let me show you guys the back. So there's the back. Hopefully y'all can see, because I can't see if y'all can see. Now my hair was dry within an hour and it would be perfectly fine to take it off. But if you want to make sure that your hair is laying as flat as possible and it's all the way dry, then you can keep it on even longer. What I want to tell y'all about me doing my makeup is that I'm going to take my foundation brush and carefully apply it around the finger waves so that the makeup doesn't really get on it. But if the makeup does get on it, which typically happens around this area, what I'll try to do is put some, when I do put some oil on it, so I will put something like hot 6 oil on it, or I also have this macadamia healing oil spray, which is very expensive. I got this because of Glam Twins. I got that a way long time ago when I still had a job and everything. So it does, well, I don't use it all the time, so it's lasted me a long time. But I'll take some of that oil and use a little piece of tissue, or you can use a Q-tip and just try to wipe it off a little bit. But you got to make sure you don't wipe it too hard, because you don't want your finger waves to come undone in any type of way. So, and then the only thing I do when I take it off is you could like comb this a little bit to make sure, or try to like, not make sure, but try to form it and make sure it's going with the way that you want it to go. And just kind of anything that's out of place, just kind of push it together a little bit more. So that's all you need to do. And this side is like perfect, like but this side I just needed to push some of the hairs together a little bit more, which I did, nothing too major, and boom, you're done. So those are my quick and easy finger waves. Check out that thumbnail for my final look, because I'm going out tonight. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I might get a good picture tonight and be able to post it to the gram. And make sure you subscribe, comment, and like, and share this video with anybody that it can help. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.